Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on the laptop's embedded numeric keypad. Press FN plus the num-LK key once. That toggles the number overlay. Once done, check the LED or on-screen icon to confirm num-LK is active. You do this instead of hunting for a separate keypad. Make sure you can see the tiny digits on letter keys like J, K, L, or U, I, O. Those are your numeric keys now. This step is essential because without num-LK the keys type letters, not numbers. Now you type numbers directly using the overlaid keys. Press J for 1, K for 2, L for 3 and U, I, O for 4, 5, 6. The top row or other labeled keys give 7, 9, and 0. Once you know the mapping, you can enter phone numbers, PIN, and numeric data quickly. If you need symbols, hold Shift while typing. If num-LK was toggled temporarily, keep FN held to maintain numbers. Otherwise, press FN plus num-LK again to return to normal typing. To finish, press FN plus num-LK to switch back to letters when you're done entering numbers. This prevents accidental digits while you type words. If numbers don't register, make sure FN lock isn't inverted and that the on-screen num-LK indicator shows active. Update or reinstall keyboard drivers if the toggle fails, and try an external USB numpad as a fallback. This solves hardware-limited laptops. If keys still misbehave, reboot and test in the BIOS to confirm whether the issue is software or hardware.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.